Hey everybody, how you doing? This is the end of the second week of October, and I am prepping the van, loading it up, getting ready for a week that we're going to take the van out, give it another try for a long road trip, a week on the road. We won't entirely be on the road all week. The week's going to be split into two halves. The first half, I'm going to go up to the northern part of the state with my dad. I'm going to be doing some hiking, some fishing, just some outdoor adventures there. And then I'm going to come back through about Thursday of the week. Beth has to work till Thursday. I'm going to pick her up, restock the van, and then she and I are going to be out of here for the second half of the week and the weekend to do a little fall fly fishing, some leaf peeping up north. Haven't 100% decided where we're going to go the second half of the week, but we'll figure that out. So I've been kind of loading up the van, getting the batteries charged, the fridge cooled down, and doing some last minute prep work on the van. We have the cabinet rather stocked. I got soups, I got PB&J, got nuts, I got rice, I got oatmeal, apples, etc. All the healthy things a little boy could want when he's out on the road. Not to forget my coffee. And oh, dried mangoes. Dried mangoes. These things rock. These are actually really good. I've just tried them this week for the first time, and I am now addicted to those. So good for me. Loading up some of the storage areas. Got a lot of fly fishing gear and some outdoor gear to get ready. Make my bed again and make my sheets all pretty. But one of the things I do want to show you is we put some new bling in the van, and I want to show you that bling. We've been talking about this for a little while, and I'm kind of excited about it. We now have a map. We installed, this is a 36-inch by 2-foot map. That takes up this wall here. It cost us about, it's like $25–30. It's a 3D. It's flat, but it's got a 3D relief look to it of the country, major roadways, etc. So we will use this to start marking up where we've been and where we're going, and we're really excited about that. And that really fills this. This space out really nice on this flat wall. I kind of really like it, and it's like the wall was just meant for that map to go there. So I'm pretty stoked about that. You know, one of the things I forgot to film was last week we had, for once, we had a weekend and we just didn't have really much van work to do. But alas, yes we did. We had to wash the van, and that is a long process. There's a lot of van to wash. But more importantly, I'm interested in what you have to say out there about the roof of the van. You know, that's a process to wash the roof of the van, and I think it's really important to keep the roof clean just for the longevity of the van. This is a brand new van, but it's still, you know, as we go through the summer with sap coming out of leaves and so forth, I think it's really important to keep the top of the roof really clean. But my question is this: I would love to put a rack on the top of this van, and it's hard enough to wash the roof of this van without a rack on it. So I'm curious to anybody out there that has built one of these, whether, I don't care what the make is, that's really not relevant, but how do you wash your roof with a rack on it? I would love nothing more than to put a ladder with a rack and get some more storage, or maybe someday put some panels up there, or whatever, just for storage or whatever. But I'm really curious as to how you wash the roof of your van with a rack on it. So leave some information down in the comments, because I'm really curious to learn that, and maybe help us make a decision on whether we actually go ahead and put a rack on the top of this down the road. So great, thanks. I will look forward to comments, and we'll see you later this week from the road. For now, that's all I've got. We're just stocking things up, and I'll be reaching back out during the week, probably some videos from the road, and we'll see you on down the road. Bye-bye.